Let's also check in on some of the other earnings that have come out. GE, they reported earnings this morning, and some everyday household name companies, General Electric and 3M. Let's roll them together here, starting on GE. The company slashed its full-year earnings guidance range after a tough quarter for renewable energy products here. And so for GE, we were taking a look at shares there a moment ago on screen as my notes and my whole computer just went down. So taking a look at some of the actuals versus the estimates, it was
and it did, guys, it did go down. His computer is, in fact, I had to look. GE, not a good quarter. I'm surprised the stock isn't being hammered here off a guide down on the full year like this. They're now at $2.40 to $2.80 a share for the full year. They were at $2.80 to $3.50. So not a good quarter, and it really goes back to continued struggles in renewable energy. Orders in that segment crashed, not plunged, crashed 43%. Margins down over 2,240 basis points year over year. Not a good quarter for that business. And as you step back, here's a company still in transition. They're being split up into three companies. The first out of the chute will be the GE healthcare business. I believe they noted in the release in early January.
Vernova?
Vernova.
Yeah. I mean, this is also a business that for, the past 5-6 years, it's been just a question of, okay, what division are they looking to offload now in order to remediate itself from some of its own issues, managing some of the tougher parts of that business. And so there was this strategic, not just the revolving door of who was going to be running the company for a while, and now the larger question of, okay, so which parts of the businesses are actually going to be most successful for them going forward? Larry Culp actually saying that within GE Vernova, power is actually remaining on track to grow this year. They're taking actions to reset renewable energy, and then they're citing some external catalysts, U.S. legislation particularly, and the energy crisis in Europe, increasing investment in new decarbonization technologies. And so that is what they're saying is going to help position GE Vernova for some of that longer term growth that they're tracking.
It's just been a surprising earnings season.